Now, new reports show 9 states have hit record numbers in new coronavirus cases. 15 states right now seeing upticks in hospitalizations. ABC's Alex Prochet is in Washington as the White House officials respond to the latest numbers.
This morning, coronavirus cases on the rise. Take Florida, for instance. It set record highs of new cases 2 days in a row. Still, beaches in Jacksonville, packed. Many people not wearing masks. They're not required.
I'm not very worried.
Florida isn't alone. COVID cases are growing in at least 20 states and Puerto Rico. The number of cases have doubled in Arizona in the last month after the state lifted lockdown restrictions. Nurses are flying in from other states to help with the surge.
I'd be able to help give back to our sister hospitals out here.
In Phoenix, a casino security guard has died from the virus. Robert Washington got infected after returning to work a month ago when the state started to reopen.
I begged him to not go to work.
Washington's daughter says he returned to work so he could pay for his insulin. Arizona's governor is now giving local governments the authority to make wearing a mask in public mandatory, a complete turnaround from his position just days ago. In Texas, San Antonio's mayor mandated residents wear masks in public on Wednesday, even though the governor is refusing to penalize people who opt not to. 15 states are reporting an increase in hospitalizations. That includes Oklahoma, where President Trump is scheduled to hold a campaign rally in Tulsa this weekend. Yesterday on Fox News, the president repeated his claim about the virus.
It's fading away. It's going to fade away, but having a vaccine would be really nice, and that's going to happen.
Vice President Pence has blamed the spike in numbers on increased testing, a notion many experts disagree with.
The bottom line is we're seeing more hospitalizations, and that's not from increased testing. That's from real people who are needing hospital care.
Former Vice President Joe Biden accused Trump of surrendering to the coronavirus pandemic, a failure he says puts the U.S. economic recovery at risk. Alex Prochet, ABC News, Washington.